What's up, YouTube? Dylan here with Dylan's Home Espresso Bar, and today I am going to make you guys a coffee recipe for home that makes it almost irresistible to put down. So, if you guys are interested in this coffee recipe, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel to help me out, as I appreciate each and every one of you. And without further ado, let's roll the intro! What's up, YouTube? Dylan here with Dylan's Home Espresso Bar, and today, like I said, we are going to be going over a must-have recipe for you to know for your coffee bar. If you love sweet treats, you're going to love this one. It is very, very sweet. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the overhead, and let's show you the recipe. Let's go. What's up, YouTube? Thank you guys so much for watching this. If you guys have not tried this recipe, totally try it. It has been one of my wife's favorite recipes. She likes her lattes extremely sweet. So if you guys have a sweet tooth and you guys like some chocolatey and caramely goodness, definitely give this recipe a try. I am going to try to create a lot of different recipes to share to you guys out there. And I'm also going to be trying to mix some espresso with food, because who doesn't like coffee and food put together? So if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see maybe, and I can see if I am able to maybe switch that up or use exactly what you guys say and kind of give it a little twist. So without further ado, I thank you guys so much for watching. I seriously love each and every one of you. The support from all of you have been absolutely incredible. I look forward to many more videos to share with you guys, and I just look forward to a great 2021. If you guys can hit that like and subscribe button down below to definitely help me and my channel and support me to make more content for you guys back at home. I really gratefully appreciate it. And as always, Dylan with Dylan's on Espresso Bar, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.